What's going on, you lot? I hope you're all well. Today we are making glazed carrots because I made them at Christmas and they were beautiful, and I've got a new pan that I want to try out, so I thought, why not? I'm sorry, carrots are boring. Maybe you're boring. Maybe you need to eat some more vegetables. So this technique will work for pretty much any carrots you want, but I'm going to use these little chantenay carrots because not only are they delicious, but they require almost no preparation at all. All you need to do is trim the tops off these little carrots. I mean, you can peel them if you like, but if I'm cooking at home, I never bother. The skin looks nice on these carrots, and I've peeled enough carrots in my lifetime that I don't have to if I don't want to. Once all the carrots have been trimmed, place them into a wide-base saucepan or saute pan, like this brand new one that I've picked up, and spread them out as needed to create one even layer in the pan. Add enough water to the pan to just barely cover the carrots. You want some of those little carrots poking out the top of the water, so the amount you need will depend on the size of your pan. Then you can add 100 ml of fresh orange juice. Not from concentrate, guys, come on, we are better than that. And then you can add your chosen spices to the carrots in the pan. My favourite combo currently is star anise, clove and pink peppercorns, giving these little carrots a real fragrant punch. Then for a little extra flavour, you can add some herbs if you want to. You can't go far wrong with thyme and bayleaf, but feel free to mix it up. Hopefully it goes without saying that when it comes to the herbs and spices in this recipe, you can use whatever you want, or whatever you just happen to have in the cupboard. It's always good to have a little play around, try different combinations. You never know, you might come up with something pretty special. Finally, we're going to add 50 grams of salted butter to the pan. Then we're going to turn on the heat and bring this whole lot to the boil. Once boiling, we're going to give these carrots a little shaky shake just to make sure they're getting cooked evenly all over. Keep cooking the carrots over a high heat, giving them a little shaky shake from time to time. We are trying to reduce down the liquid in the pan to a beautiful glaze, while at the same time cooking these carrots perfectly. All this pan shaking we're doing here is not only going to help cook the carrots evenly, but it's going to help emulsify the butter and the liquids together to give us that smooth, shiny glaze right at the end. So keep an eye on the liquid as it reduces. You want to get it to a point where it's almost completely gone, but there's still just enough left to balance with the butter to create that nice, soft, silky glaze that just coats these carrots. Once you've got the glaze reduced down to the consistency you're looking for, give it a little season, then give them one final toss together to get all those carrots coated in that glaze. They should look like these little beauties right here. And that's it, gorgeous little glazed carrots that you can knock up the next time you're doing a little roast, or maybe something that just needs a simple side veg. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the recipe, let me know by hitting the thumbs up down below. And if you're new here and you like what you see, why not consider subscribing as well? If you like this video, head on over to my channel. I've got a ton more just like it that I know you're gonna love. And if you like your recipes all nice and neat, written down, easy to follow, you can go and check out my website, brady.co.uk, and you'll find them all there. Links are in the description down below. Hit me up on Instagram or Facebook. I love to see what you guys are getting up to. I will see you in the next one.